And welcome back everyone. Following on from our last video, here we have the Plastic Soldier 15mm British Paras Heavy Weapons box set. So 64 figures, which includes, let's see, 3-inch mortars, 4-inch mortars, Vickers machine guns, flamethrowers, and 6-pounder anti-tank guns. So it says 4 of each, so I'm expecting 4 sprues. Let's have a look. Oh, that's useful. Some destructions. And yes, 4 sprues. So let's have a better look here. Rather than just guessing, we'll make use of the instructions. So, let's see. Let's try and line them up. So we have in this quarter, we have the 6-pounder with 4 crew, which looks reasonable. Then we have the 3-inch mortar. Oh no, that's the Vickers machine gun team. Again with 4 crew. Then we have the 3-inch mortar here with crewmen, and these two also make up crew for that. And across the middle here we have the 4-inch mortar crew and the flamethrower. So bring it up and have a close look at the detail. Again, for a kit that's over 10 years old, the production standards then weren't quite as good as some are now. I mean, these are not as good as today's Battlefront plastics, but were a lot better than some of the plastics that were around at the time. Although he seems a little badly cast on the back. As with the regular infantry company box, they're all indentals with correct backpacks, water bottles and entrenching tool pouches. But that poorly moulded one has me a bit worried. Let's see if it's the same on other sprues. Yep, he still seems quite poorly cast on the back there. And on this one, yep. So I'm assuming there's a soft cast on this one as well. Yep. That's a bit disappointing after I've just been talking about how better they are compared to some plastics that were around at the time. Oh, these were 2016, so yes, exactly 10 years. So, but all in all, it gives lots of options for a Flames of War army, which is what I'll be using them for. But they may also see double duty in 15mm games of bolt action, and maybe PBI as well. So, thank you for joining me for this quick unboxing. We'll see you again when it comes round to painting them. See you soon.